Assalamualaikum and hi. I'm Muhammad Zafril bin Zuri from FKP DMF. Today, I want to present about my diploma project, Grass Cutter Shield and Indicator, supervised by Dr. Muhammad Zaimi bin Zainal Abidin. So, firstly, we want to talk about the background. What is the problem? Why we create the Grass Cutter Shield? Uh, The grass cutter job has been a hard job and very dangerous, as we know. It is because sometimes while moving the mowing grass, there are rocks that are thrown when the cutter of the lawnmower hit a rock on the ground at a person. It will become very dangerous when the rock hits people and can also cause damage to people's property, such as a window, car. Beside that, the grass cutting has been a hard job for the old people. It is because the grass cutter is quite heavy and it is hard to control the direction of the cutter because of the weight and the vibration from the grass cutter while cutting the grass. The user usually will have an extra exhaustion after finishing the cutting and then lead to body aches. Next, what is the common types of injuries caused by grass cutting? When people use the grass cutter, they always get injuries such as at the eyes, including they can also be blind. Serious cut and laceration, this caused by the rocks. Damage to internal organs, for example, lacerated liver or ruptured spleen. Traumatic brain injury, muscle tendon damage, and lastly, maybe can causing death. Next is the objective. The main objective why we are creating the product is to create product that can make the grass cutting job easier and safer. Everyone can use the grass cutter. I creating a product that's called shield that used to protect and avoid any chip or rock that are thrown during the grass cutting process. Meanwhile, the indicator has a wheel and function as a guide for new users such as youngsters, maybe the older, anyone can use the grass cutter easily, although they have no experience at all. By this invention, anyone can use grass cutter at safer and easier condition. The common complaint why the grass cutter is hard to use. We had a survey why to a quantity of people. They complain mostly. The most complaint is they not good at swinging a lawnmower. Why? That's why they not using the grass cutter. The machine grass become uneven and porous. Stone and sand are often thrown at a body. Heavy lawnmowers cause sluggish hand and back. This is the most problem that we got from this. Yes, the house of quality. You want to investigate before we create the product. We investigate the requirement, what the customer really need in the product and what they don't need, and what is the most important. As we can see, the most important is it must be easy to use. Okay, next, design concept. There, at first, from the before we start the creating the product, we have created the three design. The shield. Firstly, curve shape shield with non-adjustable indicator and height. Next, flat box shape shield with non-adjustable indicator height. Lastly, the curve shape with shield with adjustable pin of indicator height. Among these three, I have choose the design C because it is easy to use and the curve shape can protect the rock and sand from flying when the grass cutting operation. Next, we have do some concept analysis and separated by two concept scoring. And by this concept analysis, we can know that which design is must be used have the higher score that we can proceed to the next steps. Next, the 3D CAD design. 3D CAD by the product we have created. This is the left one is the old design. We can see the difference is at the body of the frame and the wheel. The old design have more straight T-shaped legs, while the final design have looks like pyramid like shape. The final design is more economic and it can be used at the unflat surface. Now, yes, the cost analysis of this product. The product I have discussed that we need 130 ringgit to create the product for this type of material around bar steel wheel and steel sheet. For the conclusion, that you can observe that the C sketch from the product have the most suitable and attractive design due to its function. Choosing C sketch because there are some good and useful improvement design that can be used suitable to its function, which is shield was designed in a curve shape. The design is more suitable than the other two design sketches because when the shield is in curve shape, the shield will cover almost around the cutter. So the probability of the rock or any object thrown out to user will be decreased as the shield can protect the user. Beside that, in the C sketch, there is an adjuster which is a pin at the indicator. So when we have the pin, we can adjust the height of the indicator due to its suitability of places that we want to clean. We also have finalized the 3D design and counting the approximate amount to producing the product by referring the survey. That's all. Thank you.